to start. I'm scared. And here's why. So, yesterday, something came in the mail. We don't know what, but it was like this present. But there was something odd about it that I noticed. Then I noticed it was just like the Puppets music box in Five Nights at Freddy's 2. About an hour later, it started playing music. We all freaked out. It played all night long. And about 12-ish today, it was bigger. Way bigger. And in front of it, we saw a head. A purple head. So we all ran and hid. I've been in here for about 10 minutes. So, yeah. It's louder. Why did it stop? He's coming. These might be my last recorded words.